Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
So today we'll conclude the chapter related to production and cost. So in that, a few more sums are remaining. We'll complete that. Okay. Copy down the question. This we did not do, right? Only one we did. Yeah, this copy down the question. Did you copy the question, everyone? Yes. Now here, the following table gives total cost schedule of a firm. It is also given that the average fixed cost of at 4 units of output is 5 rupees. So what is the average fixed cost given? What is the average fixed cost given?
5 rupees.
It is 5 rupees. Okay. Now how to get average fixed cost? What is the formula to get average fixed cost? What is the formula to get average fixed cost? Pranav?
TFC by Q.
Okay. TFC by Q. In this, they have given average fixed cost, but TFC is not given. So in this now we have to find TFC. How to get TFC from this formula? What to do? Rahul, can you say?
Ma'am, the first value of TC. First value of TC.
No. See, the formula is given. AFC, you know what it is. From this formula, how to get TFC? Here you see, AFC is given. TFC divided by quantity. What is given here? What is the quantity?
1.
What? What is the output? Sanam, is it whether they have given any output? Don't look at the table alone. In the question also it's given, right?
5 rupees.
5 rupees is what? Average fixed cost at 4 units of output is rupees 5. So 5 rupees is what now? Average fixed cost. So what is the quantity there? What is the
4.
quantity there? 4. Okay. Now to get TFC, what to do? What to do?
5 into 4.
Yes, 5 into 4. So what is TFC here? What is the answer for this?
20.
20. So TFC is 20. See, AFC they have given, that is 5. How much quantity? At what quantity it is? They have given, that is 4 units of output. So to get TFC, you can multiply AFC into quantity. You will be getting TFC. So next column, you can write TFC. What is the speciality? It remains constant for all the units of output. So it will be 20 everywhere. So you can make another column and write 20 there. Okay. Now they have told you to find TVC. So you can write TVC in the next column. How to get TVC in this? Vinay, can you say? No, he's gone. Just now he was there. Akshay, can you say
Yes, ma'am.
how to find TVC?
TFC plus
TFC plus 2 things are given. So you just see what to be done to get TVC. Just think and say.
TC minus TFC.
Okay, very good. So TC minus TFC, you will be getting TVC. So find that, because you know that total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. So to get TVC, what you should do? TC minus TFC. So find TVC for at each level of output. All of you got the answer? Okay. Now, for first level of output, what is TVC? Sanam? 30. Okay. Vishnu, what is the second one? For the second level of output, what is TVC? Vishnu? This is TC. From TC, reduce TFC, you will get TVC. This is a formula what I have.
65 minus 20,
Okay, what is the answer for that?
35.
Hmm?
$45.
45. Okay. Abhiram, what is the next one answer?
Ma'am, 55.
Okay, that is 55. Okay, Rahul, what is the next one?
70.
75. Abhilash, what is the next one?
110.
110. And the last one, Pranav, what is the last? What is it?
165.
165. Okay, so we got TVC. Now, next they have asked you to find AVC. How to get AVC? How to get AVC? What is the formula? Anyone?
TVC by Q.
Okay, so AVC is equal to TVC by Q. TVC is given, Q is given. So at each level of output, what will be AVC? Find. TVC, you got many numbers. Quantity Q, you got many numbers. So at each level of output first level, second level, what will be AVC? Find out. ABC formula is given TVC by Q. TVC is given, Q is given. So find out ABC. Krishna Gandhi, you got the first one? It is 30. Okay. Helen Thomas, what is the second one? Helen, did you get?
No, ma'am, doing.
Anish, what about you? Did you get the second one?
I'm 22.5.
22.5. You know how it is to be done. TVC is 30 here. TVC divided by 1. ABC you will get. Second level of output. Second level you can see 45 is the TVC. Quantity is 2. So 45 divided by 2 you will be getting 22.5. Next one 55. 55 divided by 3. What is the answer? Basuri? Basuri, did you get the answer? Pranav, what's the answer?
18.3.
Okay, 18.3. Next one, Abhiram, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 18.5.
Is it 18.5? Is it 18.5? Correct, others I'm asking. Is it correct?
18.75.
18.7, you write it as 18.7. Okay, that's 75, I think it's the, okay, 18 point. $22.5. Next one, 18.3, 18.7. Okay. Rahul, next one.
22.
22. Next one. Abhilash.
27.5.
Okay, 27.5. So you got ABC now. Next, they are asking AFC. Okay. What is the formula to get AFC? AFC is equal to
TFC by Q.
TFC by Q. Now, find out the answers for all the levels of output. TFC is given here. This is TFC divided by Q. Quantity is given. Just find out now. AFC is equal to TFC by quantity. Sanam, did you get the first one?
20.
Hmm?
20.
20. Okay. Abhijit, second one. Akshay, second one.
Uh, 10.
10. Okay, correct. Pavitra, third one.
6.6.
Oh, 6.6. Okay. Amal, can you tell the next one? Fourth one. Did you get it?
Turn is 5.
It is 5. Yes. And Roseanne, next one.
4.
4. Correct. Kevin, next one. Vishnu, what about you? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
185 divided by
Not TFC, it is 20. TFC, you see, to get AFC, what to do? TFC divided by Q. Here TFC, the last output, what is the TFC here? For every output, you can see it is 20. So 20 divided by, what will come? Vishnu?
6.
6. So 20 divided by 6. What is the answer? Sanam, did you get the answer?
3.3.
Okay, very good. 3.3. Okay. Now the question you see once more, it is also given that average fixed cost at 4 units of output is rupees 5. You see here, this is a 4 units of output, and what is the AFC here? That is 5. This is what question they have given. From there only you found TFC. Okay. Now next one, what they have asked you to find, that is SAC. So next column, you can write SAC. Now, how to find SAC? How to find average cost? SAC means short run average cost. How to get AC? What is the formula? Who can say?
AFC plus AVC of TC by Q
AFC
plus AVC.
plus AVC. If you add AFC plus AVC, you will get average cost. So AFC column you can see, AVC column you can see. From that, if you add, you will get SAC, short run average cost or average cost. All of you got the answer? Okay, Rahul,
Yes.
first one, what is the answer? 50. Sanam, next one,
32.5.
32.5. Abhiram, next one,
24.9.
24.9. And Pranav,
23.75.
23.75. And next, Amal,
26.
26. And next one, Basuri, next one. Basuri, are you there? Pavitra,
Ma'am, 30.8.
30.8. So we got SAC also. Now next they have asked you to find SMC. Okay. What is SMC now? What is MC? Anyone? What is MC? Pranav, what is MC?
Marginal cost.
Marginal cost. How to get that? Just think how to get that.
Change in TC by change in Q.
Change in TC divided by change in quantity. Okay. Now here, if you see the table, they have started with 1. Okay. So you know one more thing. If the quantity is at the 0 level, what is the total fixed cost? What is the total fixed cost? At the 0 level of quantity also, the total fixed cost will be
20.
20. So that quantity you have to remember, before 1 there is a situation 0 and fixed cost will be 20. Okay. Then only the next one comes 1. Then change happens in the total cost. 50, it has become 50. That is one important point. You can find MC marginal cost that way. One more I told you related to SMC. I told that when you start the SMC curve, another one more curve with the will start with the MC curve. What is that curve? Or two things will be in the beginning, it will be same. Which one is that?
TVC.
TVC. Okay. So here either you can get this manner, what I said, 0 output 20 TFC. So 20 is changing to, now next step, you know, 20 is changing to 50. So you can get 20 minus 50. That is a change in TC. Okay. 20 minus 50, how much it is? Don't take negatives here, or don't take the negative or positive sign. 20 minus 50, how much it is? Yes.
30.
30. And change in quantity, it is 1. So is equal to 30. You can take this way. Otherwise, it is understood that TVC and SMC, when it starts in the beginning, they both will have the same number. So if you check here TVC 30, this will be the same for SMC. Okay. Now you can find, apply this formula. Next numbers will not be same. Okay. Only the first number, it will be same for TVC and SMC. Next, how to find now? Change in TC divided by change in quantity. Change in quantity is here, always it is 1. So if you check change in TC, you will be getting SMC. Change in TC means what change is happening in total cost. From 50 to 65, what has changed? What change happened? Just find out the answer for this. At zero level of output also, fixed cost will be there. At zero level of output also, you know that even if we are not producing anything, there will be expenses on machines, buildings and all. Even if we are not producing anything, fixed cost remains same. All of you got the answer? Abhijit, did you get the first one? I have written already. That is 30. Now, what is the second one, Abhijit? Did you get what I told how to do that? Abhijit? Yes or no? Just tell. I will explain once more then. Aparna, did you get the second one?
15.
15. Okay, that's correct. Roseanne, did you get the next one?
10.
10. Aparna, no. Pavitra, next one. Pavitra, no. Alan, Alan Verghese. Akshay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is it? Next one, 20. Abhilash, next one,
35.
35. Amal, next one. Change in total cost. See, previous one, from 50 to 65, what change happened? Difference, find the difference. From 65 to 75, what change happened? 95 to 130, what change happened? 130 to 185, what is the difference of that? Amal, just reduce and see 185 minus 130, how much you are getting? Pranav,
45
is it 45?
and 55.
Okay, that is 55. Okay, so this is how you got SMC now. So anyway, if SMC is not given directly or anything, two things you have to take into consideration. One, at zero quantity, what is the total fixed cost? Through that way you can find. Otherwise, the first TVC and SMC, the first numbers will be exactly same. It will start from the same point. If TVC is there, you can get the SMC. You can copy the first one. For the first output, I'm talking. Okay, for the first output, TVC and SMC will be same. Okay, now this is enough. One more, I don't think we'll be able to do. So I'll just take attendance 1 minute. Yes, Abdul Aman. Absent. Ellen Thomas,
Present, ma'am.
Ellen Burgess, Anish,
Present, ma'am.
Aparna,
Present, ma'am.
Krishnakanti,
Present, ma'am.
Akshay. Akshay was there, right?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Aparna. No, Pavitra. Pavitra, sorry.
Ma'am.
Pavitra is present, right? Yeah. Pranav,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Roseanne,
Present, ma'am.
Sayujya, Vinay,
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, Abhiram,
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit. Abhiram is present or not? No, absent, right? Okay. Abhijit,
Ma'am, he was there.
he was there? Okay. Abhijit present. Oh, Abhijit, okay. Abhilash, Amal, Basuri, Kevin,
Present, ma'am.
Omar, Sanam, Sandra. Okay, then 5 minutes before I'm leaving you. Okay, then thank you. Bye, everyone.